Hello again, my name is Destiny and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to go ahead and start working with creating serializers for our to-do model. Hopefully you guys followed along with the last tutorial where we created a model and everything was working perfectly well. And if for any reason you're getting any issues, do make sure to drop a comment in the comment section below and I'll try my possible best to reply and help you fix your issues. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So in this one, what we're going to do is open up our code editor again. And this time around, you want to come over to the serializers file, this one over here. And first and foremost, let's import the to-do. There you go. And just down here, we're going to create a new serializer for this. So down here, I'm going to add in class to-do serializer like that. And this should inherit from serializer.model serializer, this one over here. So remember the way we did, we say the model should inherit from models.model. That's the same thing we are doing for serializer, so that we're going to be able to, do things like get fields if we want. But for now, we don't need to name any field over here. We just need to pass in class meta and define fields should be equal to what fields are we going to be needing. Let's say we need the ID, we need the user that's created the to-do, we need the title of the to-do, and we also need the completed. You can also pass in the date if you want, but for now, I don't think we need that for anything. Simple as that. And also, what model are we going to be interacting with? That's going to be the to-do model. So I want you guys to understand to-do serializer very well, because actually, when I did not have any knowledge about Django-React framework, I actually thought that serializers would be this really difficult thing. But if you have any knowledge with Django forms, hopefully you know Django forms, then that's just like serializers, all right? But this time around for APIs. So we pretty much created forms that the API would use. As simple as that. I want you guys to understand that. Now, these fields over here are fields that are going to show up in the form. All right, so please do not confuse yourself with this. It's pretty much very easy, and that's it. So those fields over here, hopefully you already know they are the fields over here: user, title, completed, and date. Those are the fields that we have over here. So what we simply did over here is adding those fields: ID, user, title, completed, and date. These fields are pretty much the fields that we have over here, as you can see. So if for any reason you don't want the API to be able to get any of those fields, then you could just leave it out. All right, it's as simple as that. You don't need to stress about it. You don't need to think about it. You don't want the API to be able to use the date, then just leave it out. All right, as simple as that. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and add in all the fields that I have, and as simple as that. And also this one over here that I call to do serializer can be called anything. It can be called banana, it can be called banana milkshake, it can be called Shakespeare, or whatever you want. But I chose to call mine to do serializer. As simple as that. So I think that's gonna be it with creating serializer for to do. This video was a pretty short one, but I want you guys to understand perfectly well everything that's going on with creating serializers, model, admin, files, and in the next one we're gonna go ahead and start working with a more interesting thing, which would be creating the list create API view. So that's gonna be it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's pretty short, but I just want you guys to understand everything. All right, so do make sure to like this video, consider dropping a subscription on my channel, and it will really mean the world to me. And until the next video, bad love, peace out.